The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, Monday, May 23rd. Gerardo, Dennis, Chris, Bill, Leo. Fellas, good morning. Very good morning to you. After Friday's rip-roaring, rip-your-face-off move off of those lows, we come in today. The NASDAQ is up 84, 85 points. CS is up 38. YM up 326. EMD and Russell following suit. They are up as well. Gold is up 20, almost $1. Silver obviously up as well. Crude up $1.05. It looks like China. Good morning, Patrick. Eddie, good morning, Melody. It looks like China will come back online Wednesday. They are reopening Wednesday. I suspect crude goes higher. Good morning, Eric. Guys, good morning and welcome. Today is Monday. I have not run any of the bots this morning, although they look, the funded trader bots, although they look like they would have been very profitable. This ES trade, let me just take a look. That's setting up currently. Hang on, guys. Let me take a look at ES. Let's see if this is going to be a decent trade. I like the ES long. ES has some small resistance at 39.40 and change, right where it is. But I do think that will get target. It looks like YM just got a target and NASDAQ has not turned up yet. In any event, guys, I ran bots last night. This is my total from last evening on my one Apex account. That was a new account. I explained to you guys what I do in the education we did on Saturday, right? I never use an account that has is green. Never. So I run accounts that start at 0. So if I blow it, I don't really care. Just to quickly show you guys, this is I track them every night. So these are the evening bot trades so far. We've been green every single night except 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In 14 nights, 14 evening sessions, we've been green 12. So John in the overnight in Europe session is up $1,057.50. Yeah, I do think this is a good trade. If you guys want it, I will wait, but I do think it's a good trade. There is your trade. In any event, it is Monday. We are back at it. I believe, I just want to check something real quick. I think I did. Congratulations on some guys that got funded on Friday. So we're starting out today with 3 new funded traders. Steve Cherry has passed 2 combines. So we have 3 funded traders coming into today already. Anybody else funded today? Anybody else pass in the overnight? Anybody else get a funded account? We had over 20 last week. Okay. You passed 150,000 on Friday. Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Order flow trades count, Paul. So let me add you into that list. Was it with Apex? How many accounts does that make for you now with Apex? 5 or 6? Good morning, Chuck. 5. That's his 5th account with Apex and 1 with Lilu. He now has, I believe, 6 funded accounts. You've made over 3,100. Okay, so you need to trade 6 more days. Yeah, that's cool. One micro contract in and out. Boom, boom. And here is your target. If anybody took that trade, you got target 1 on the ES. I told you I thought it was a good trade, guys. It's a good trade. Should get target 2 as well. Anybody take that? Again, I'm trying to give you guys directive as to what I'm seeing to help you guys make that determination. Should I or should I not? Okay, good job. Many of you did. All right, let's go get target 2. NQ. NQ should be a good trade. 55 half, 56 is where that should go. Maybe to 58. And first target is 56.50. That should be a good trade. Nice job, Eddie. It's pulling back a little bit, but I don't think it's coming back far. I don't think NQ comes back below 41. We'll see. Crude, that's also a good trade. If anybody took the CL trade, that's going to be a good trade. There comes your NASCRAC. If you guys took that trade. Come on, little guy. Second target hit and filled, ES. Second target hit and filled. So you got both targets on the ES. This is that 55, 56 right here. You guys may want to take one contract off and move to break even on the NASDAQ. We're struggling right about that resistance that I see at 56. We've hit 55. Your prerogative, but some is better than none. It's pre-market. I still think it's a good trade, but again, it's pre-market, you know, and there it is back to break even. So if you paid attention and took at least one off, you made some money and you're out at break even. If you guys are here on trial, good morning. Derek is $500 and done for the day. You're welcome. Guys, and once we get funded, you know, the benefit for those of you guys, some of you in the room have taken order flow and you guys may be proficient. I am watching order flow trading or you know, what I'm seeing on order flow to help you guys and guide you guys as to what I'm seeing. I forgot to turn the original bots on this morning. I've just turned them on when we came into the room. I don't know how I forgot to do this. So my results may be a little skewed. But we do have a long now in the NASDAQ on the original bot. Okay. ExxonMobil has been dumped from the Dow after 100 years. Thank you, Harold. ExxonMobil has been dumped after 100 years. They are leaving the Dow. In any event, guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. We'll see where we're at. And yeah, it's not there. I got to look for it. So give me a second here, fellas. Looking. Still looking. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So the NASDAQ traded right up to that resistance and backed off. That's why I suggested that you guys take off at least one and go to break even, and you would have made some dough. All right, let's take a look at. We just doing what we do, Harold. Doing what we do. So 10 would be the next target down if you guys are still holding a short 10. Maybe 10 half if we're going to be cute about it. Do I like ES short on the bot? I do not. I do not. Well, it depends when it shorts. Let me say this, Scott. If it shorts below 39.35, I would say yes. But if it's going to short on this up move, I would say no, because it will probably push back to 39.40 area, which is what it looks like it wants to do. NASDAQ looks like it wants to push back to 33. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. That's, oh man, did I miss a gold trade? I sure did. God darn. I did miss a gold trade, fellas. Sorry about that. Dang, I missed a gold trade. Son of a gun. More screens, more screens, more screens. Nice job, Greg. Yeah, it would have been a short on the bot. I didn't take it, obviously, but I think this is going to come way down. Yeah, more eyes, more eyes. How's your weekend, Greg? Good morning, Paul. The Indy 500, Greg? Yeah. Did you see that ExxonMobil was thrown out of the Dow? All right, guys. ES is now shorts. That's order flow, shorts. NASDAQ is shorts as well. YM is, God darn it, I missed a big gold trade. Son of gun. Crude is a short at 111 and 19. They need a higher social credit score. What is a social credit score? Nice job, Marco. Somebody tell me what a social credit score is. You mean you have to be liked by the general public? I've never heard of that. All right, guys, let me change Apex accounts. All right. We've been on July for a week, Mark. Far left score or positions on all the right issues: global warming, racism, etc. Got it. Woke. That's right. No, CL is going to go long. It didn't roll over. If China's your credit score is below a number, they will remove your basic right. That's true. I mean, crude overall is longs, fellas. China supposedly is opening on Wednesday. You know, I have said this. You know, I used to say in jest, the difference between us and communism is communism tells you to your face. Communism tells you to your face, if you do this, we're just going to take you out, shoot you, right? You can't talk about the government. You can't badmouth the government, etc. Right? Can't have an opinion, essentially. The U.S. used to be, you could, had freedom of speech. Now with the Democrats in power, you don't. There is no freedom of speech. If you're a parent, you show up at a parent-teacher conference and say something that someone doesn't like, you're an enemy combatant. Just got one right. Okay, so Gerardo, we got another one, fellas. Nice job, Gerardo. That makes 5 already for the day. Apex? Gerardo? And I know Paul is Apex. Lee, if you're in the room, Steve or Eddie, were you guys all Apex? All right, guys. Crude is a short. Crude is at the close of this candle. You can sell crude. Okay, Eddie and Steve are Apex. They're all Apex, okay? Everybody's following the program, guys. We got 5 for the day, fellas. You got a third one last night. Look at this. How about this, fellas? It's Monday. 5 already. We had about 20 last week. We'll see if we can take that number out. Crude's a short, fellas. It broke that 11 and came down to 7. My stop on crude would be 23, 24. We need to come down through VWAP. But if we break 5, you can target. First target might be 02. 111 to 02. Indices getting a bid. Let's take a look at order flow quickly, guys. And I'll show you where we're at. So NASDAQ has traded, pretty good volume, guys. 123,000 contracts have traded overnight. We have small, negligible net buying. ES has traded 230,000 contracts with 5,800 net buyers. Okay? So we have heavy volume ES and NQ. Gold, right around average, 54,000. So we're at 57,000, just slightly above. 750 net buyers. Crude, 60,000, slightly higher volume with 1,800 net buyers. Overall, I like crude longs. Again, with China opening, I think crude is going higher. Guys, I'll be right back. 1 minute. Let me see if I got him. Gary, are you in the room? I'm assuming you are. Did you pass with Apex? Guys, we have 6 funded traders today already. 6. Is there anybody within 500 of? Is there anybody within $500 of passing a combine? Is there anybody? Okay, Dennis. Tim, 450. I have one at 531 and one at 847. I have one at 1,075, one at 1110, and one at 1140. So I have 5 within 1,100, call it bucks. That the one that I traded last night, that will be lower than that. Take off 420 bucks. 1,200 to go, one over 3,000 with 2 days left. Okay, so you've passed one. You've passed, Mitch, right? You're just not funded yet. Correct, Mitch? Two to go on another. Okay. So we have 7 already. And he's got 200 to go on another. Let me know when you pay. Apex, Mitch? Apex? Yes. Apex ought to be paying me an advertising fee. And we have another. Scott, with whom? He passed 2. Apex? Thanks, Hubba. There you go, guys. Hell, we had 21 last week. We had 21 last week alone. I mean, for the week. We've got 8 today. We've got Steve with 3 this week. Paul passed his 5th. And Scott passed 2. So we're doing what we set out to do. We set a goal. We had a start point, right? We set a goal. And guys are crossing the finish line. Seriously, tell me one room that's doing what we're doing. Just somebody. Tell me any room out there that is doing what we have done in 2 weeks. Almost, 30 people passed in 2 weeks? Most with multiple accounts? I don't know anybody that's doing that. You guys start making money and getting payouts, Apex is going to shut us down. That's right. Maybe Buy-Side Global, BSG, Buy-Side Global. The chipper's chipping away. But I don't yodel. I do not like crude on shorts. I don't like crude 2 minutes ahead of the open, the period. I've been whipsawed out of crude more times than I can tell you at 9 o'clock. Let me take a look, Ski. Yeah, I don't want to be short crude. I don't want to be short crude. I would rather wait for the long. Thank you for that, Chris. JP Morgan, CEO Diamond, I see a robust U.S. economy with storm clouds that may dissipate. Is he running for Fed chair? You hit it long at 92? Oh, you're short. No. Yeah, you're short 92, Greg? Yeah, I could have taken a short at 11.12, I guess. I'm just leery of crude. That's what Apex wants, is for us to get funded. Then they make their 10% for doing nothing. Okay, short 92. Got it. All right, fellas. It is 9 o'clock. Israel raising. Uh-oh, more aggressive by Israel. Nice job, Chris. I told you if we got that reversal on Friday, they would be good trades. Man, I think we waited till what, 1:30, 2 o'clock? For God's sake. I mean, it literally took all day. I worked later on this past Friday than I have ever worked on a Friday. I'm usually done at 11. All right, guys, I am going to breakfast. I shall return. Come on, come get 80. Come on, 80. If you took the bot trades, which I did not, target 1 has been hit. Come on, 80. There's 83. Close, no cigar. All right, fellas, 10 seconds. I would think you get your target right on the open, right on that push. There it comes. Oh, did not give me 80. There it is. Target 1 hit at 80. Free trade now, fellas. 65 next target. 65. Call it 6. 66 next target. Below 65, we come 837. Stop should be at even. Nope. It missed the trade so far on gold. I have the bot on. You can now turn, there's 86. You got your 86 target. Next target, 837. This could only be like a 60 handle trade, guys. Boom. 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 I'm a-watching. I'm a-watching. All right, guys. I've got my crude bot on as well. The only way we get a trade on crude or gold are the reversals. And we're getting some buyers here now on the NASDAQ. We're losing them. Nice short to start the day. If you ain't making money, you ain't taking no trades. We beat them up in pre-market. We got them on the open here. ES is going to continue to sell, it looks like, on a 5-minute. Coming lower is what it looks like. On the indices, obviously, if we get reversals, we probably want those trades. Crude is turning up, but needs to get above 110, call it 50. NASDAQ, I still have a target at 837, 838. 840 is Friday's close. ES wobbling around. Buyers in crude. Let's go get gap fill. Come on, buddy. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the gold long. I don't like it long, no. Well, I mean, I do, but it's got to get above 55.5 to go. It's 10 ticks from going. Yeah, I think we're good. We've got to get through VWAP. I'll take the trade. Buyer, buyer. We're just chunking around. Gold is going to take the trade on the bot, and it is sitting. So I'm not gassed about it. There it is. I will manage the trade. If we get above 55.5, we're good to go. 55.5, this is going right back to 58. We're 5 ticks from this getting that first target without a hitch. 4 ticks, 3 ticks. Come on, gold. Pump up the jam, baby. Pump it up. You need this to go right there, 55.5. That little swing, and then it should be a good trade. So if you guys want to take some risk off, you know, your prerogative. Needs to break VWAP. It's trying. 55.5, guys. That's our, I'm telling you, that's our number. All right, I'm turning on the other bots, guys. I'm turning them on. My indices are on. Okay? We're pushing up. We're trying to go longs. My bots are on. Well, new candle. Come on, gold. Crude is turning up. I do have my bots on. Nothing's close to a trade. Gold has about 5 ticks here, guys, to go. Maybe 6. And it goes. It just has to break above VWAP, and it'll get us a target. Still selling. Looks like we're going to get that gap fill. NASDAQ almost to that 837 target I gave you. And I'll be done with gold here momentarily. Crude turned down. On the cusp of going long. Yeah, I'm not ready to give up on gold yet, but I don't like that one tick lower high on the 5 minute. But I'm not far from giving up on gold. All right, I'm done. I'm out of gold. No interest. No interest. 5 tick loss. Waste of time. It's trying to go long. I just want you to know I could be dead wrong on gold. And order flow wise, I would probably take that on a, there it goes, above 55.5. NASDAQ got my target at 37. We're going to get that gap fill, which is kind of what we were hoping for. At least I was. There goes gold. There it goes. Lord knows I've killed more than one winning trade. Closing in on 1,000 net sellers in the NASDAQ. We did not get any partial gap fill on this ES. Nice job. I mean, send me your totals, man. NASDAQ's turning up. Long NASDAQ, 80.81. Long NASDAQ. First target is 94. 94. There it is, 94. Got target 1. It's free trade, fellas. Stop is break even and hold it. Do, 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 do. Da, 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 da. If you're long 80.81 or thereabouts, target 1 is filled. You can move your stop to 85.90. Move your stop to 90. Move your stop to 901. Move your stop to 901. You're out, 901. So you got 20 handles, give or take, on the runner and a nice first target. Pay attention, guys. Just bought them down to 300 and change on the sellers. Watch for the move above VWAP. Next long is going to be 2021. ES. Bots are not turning up yet. Thank you, Greg. We're longs, guys. We're longs, fellas. There we go. You're longs, fellas. $69 quarter. Okay. Yep. I like longs, guys. I'm telling you, I like longs. ES. If it gets above 39 is your long on the ES. Above 39. Let me get my scalper here, ES scalper. Where the hell is it? Come on, buddy. There we go. Above daily target. Nice job. Yeah, we're getting a ton of rain here too. All week we're supposed to have it. We're just kind of parked, but I like the longs. Above this little swing high, we're going to start going. I like the longs, guys. If you guys are, trading order flow. ES is trying as well. I still need a break higher on the ES. So I took $100 loss on that gold trade. I shut the gold off. I took on the Apex. I took an order flow trade long on Apex for $390. So I'm up 290 on Apex, and I like longs. We have a small negative delta of 300, give or take. We're trying to squeeze longs on NASDAQ, guys. Long, long, long. There's a target one already. Target one only. I don't know why my damn bots are off. Why I turned them on. I should be long on the bot on NASDAQ. YM is going to go long on the bot in a minute and 20 seconds. Let me see what that looks like. I'm done looking at gold. I like YM long. I like NASDAQ long. There goes NASDAQ, guys. I like the ES long above 39. There it goes. Long ES. Damn it. I can't take it on the target one hit NASDAQ. If you, my bots were off. You guys should have target one on NASDAQ. Nice. Bots are off, up 910. I told you, longs above 39 on the ES. All right, now I have longs. Come on, Ratbag. One more tick. It's right at target. You suck. Both hit targets to the tick and did not fill me. Why the fudge does say? Why does that thing still have a trade on? Okay, 467. Both hit targets to the tick and didn't fill. Nice job. You guys good? Any more funded traders? I don't even know what the fudge a target zone is, dude. What is the target zone? Gary Crone, we have another funded trader. Hang on, guys. This is today alone if you guys are on trial. Thanks, Steve. Hit daily target. Bots are closed. Nice job, Richard. Marcia has her second account. It's 10 today, guys. Guys, send me, all of you, please send me your certificates. Just past day 2. Well, wait a minute. You passed on day 2, Dan? Is that what you're saying? Okay. And another one. 11 today. 11 today. Nice job, Eric. Hit daily profit goals. All right, guys. I mean, we're doing big things, fellas. Big things. Big stuff. Nice job, Timo. Up 965. So I have one account up 420 and one up 467. I'm not using the trade copier. Crude. God darn it, man. Crude went off too. Look at this. Crude got first target 18 ticks. Up 796. Tom is out. Nice job. All right, fellas. Frank is up 660. I'd say hit him straight, but it's probably raining where you're at. Don is up 965. Booyah, baby. I like crude long, period. It's going to 120. Chris is up 615 on 5 accounts. Trade copier. There we go. Your CL hit target 2, but did not fill. That's when I and close the trade. It did its job. NASDAQ is struggling here on a 15-minute, right at this resistance. Next target on NASDAQ is 82.50. That's where NASDAQ's going, fellas. We got the poke, Greg. We got the poke. 82.50. NASDAQ, next target if you're long. Should have bought Qs on the open. All right, guys. Bear with me uno momento. I have to let another trial in the room. All right, I'm back. Sharon's up 1,070 on the bots. Just doing what we do, fellas. Hanging and banging. Let's see here, Craig. What did you say? 7,300 over 4 accounts. Less than 1,000 to go on 4. Come on, guys. We're killing them. Killing them. We're doing what we do. Up 330. You need 660. Yeah, I've had that happen to me as well, Dominic. I've manually closed trades, and then they add trades. It's odd. 1584 over 2 accounts. Nice job, Lee. We had trials in from last week that did not join us. Hubba's up 587. Wait till they find out what's in store for them in another room. Good luck. ES cannot get above 39.50 yet. ES breaks 39.50, and we target 39.80. We're halfway between that 50 and gap fill. Paul is up 23.27 across 5 fully funded Apex accounts. Nice job, Paul. Very nice. Very nice. What would my entry would be above on a 5-minute close above 50, Dominic. I want to make sure it gets above and stays above 50. Is there anybody possibly not making money today? Do we have anybody not making money? Unless you haven't taken a trade. I mean, if you're not trading, that's one thing. I don't care. But is there anyone not making money? All right. Looks like we're coming back down, fellas. Steve, send me that email. I can't take anything out of the chat. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, my gold bot is off. You can short ES 31. Never mind. NASDAQ is trying to blow down. 75, 76. There it goes. It's trying. Guys, at this point, I have no bots on. I'm at 467, right? All I'm trying to do is get to 500. on this account. Then I'll change accounts and trade. There I am. I'm done. I just scalped one. I'm done. 567. All right, so this account's done. So my two accounts so far, 420 on one account last night, 567.50 on this account today. I'm done. Next account. I'm not using the trade copier. Okay, so you can now get accounts for 50% off at Apex Save 50. So I'm done with that account, guys. So my bots won't trade any Husky. So let me go back to 40. Let me go back here. All right. Everybody patience, fellas. Patience. We've all made money. Nobody should be in a hurry to take a trade. Up to 1,400 net sellers on the NASDAQ. You should start working lower in 2, 1, now. Now. Come on, NASDAQ. Blow down. There we go. Okay. So I just took this short. This is on the account that I was up 420 last night. I just took that short, and that account is now at 720. So both of my accounts are well over 500. And here we go. Up 940, Dominic is. I mean, are we having fun yet, fellas? Are we having fun yet? Is there anybody not at daily goal? Three accounts, each up 600. Nice job, Steve. Is there anybody not at daily goal? Oh, man, Dennis. Another funded trader. Lori's up $4,000 in her cash account. Okay, Gary. Why aren't you taking the other trades? You're welcome, Chris. Why aren't you taking any of the other trades, brother? So if you guys are here, qualified another account. Okay, Mike. Oh, okay, you're not set up yet. This is your second, Mike? Number 2, correct? Dominic has 2 accounts within 500 bucks. Turn my bots on 40 minutes early and qualified 3 accounts. Tesla's dragging us, guys. Mark Smith qualified 3 today. 14 funded traders today. Today. Woo! I'm going to need another Red Bull. I've only had one. 14 accounts. Congratulations, guys, to all of you folks. Every one of you. 14 funded traders. One day. We had 21 last week. Almost gap fill. Not quite. Close enough, but not quite. No, John. I mean, look at you're trading a live account. You're trading your own money. You can trade that, again, as I've explained 1,000 times, trading your own account is totally different than trying to get a funded account. The funded accounts are all set up to jam people up, right? They know that. That's why they require you to trade 10 days. That's why they have trailing draw, or they have this, or they have that. They're all set up for you guys to get ambushed and get screwed. Every one of them. I don't care who it is. Consequently, with a funded account, we have to take incremental steps. If I'm trading my cash account, I don't care if I'm up or down $3,000. I'm still trading. In a funded account, I'm dead. I'm done. Right? Chatan is up 3,900. Nice job. I'm just being patient at this point, fellas. I don't have any trades. I've got no trades. So there's nothing, consequently, there's nothing to do except sit tight. I've changed accounts to now my third account of the day. The first two are both up over their daily goal, 567 and 7 something. And now I'm trading a third account. And if I get, ready. Man, this is getting a little crazy, fellas. Randy Torello. Sure hope I spelled that right. There you go. Close enough. 15 funded traders today. 15. No idea, Ray. No idea. I'm not tracking that at this point. We had 15 qualified today. You are correct in assuming that, Frank. 2,500. That is correct. That's why we take small incremental steps every day. Every day. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to go get coffee. It's easier to make $200 a day than it is to make $2,000 a day. But if you get 10 funded accounts and only make $200 a day, you have effectually made $2,000 a day, right? So we have focused on, and Paul says, amen, he's proof. And Ray is proof. So we have focused on these funded accounts over the last 2 weeks. Now, if you have an account that's somewhere, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50,000, you would have no reason to want to trade a funded account. There would be no benefit to you. So, again, I don't know everyone's situation in this room, Frank, and I don't know what you're trading or not trading. But if you're trading your own money and you're trading a large enough account, then you have the ability to ignore these funded accounts. But for the guys that do not, then this is a benefit to them. Listen, I can trade my own account, but I'm trading a bunch of funded accounts. But again, the only way to make this work, there's only one way to make this work. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. In my account, if I'm down 3,000, I'm still trading. No, you are incorrect, Lee. If I want to trade my account and I'm up 3,000, I can do that. If I want to trade, not trade, I don't have to. I've traded out of plenty of $3,000 holes. I've traded out of $5,000 and $6,000 holes. Right? Funded accounts don't allow you to do that. That's why we trade smaller. We have a small daily goal. Tomorrow, what do? We had education on Saturday. What do? We reduce our daily potential loss by 20% or more if you're, within $500-$600 of a funded account. Missed a crude short again. ES is looking like it's. Let me change this. Let me see what the hell I'm trading here. I am trading 14. There we go. We got a long. Let's see if we can get some targets here. Come on, keep going. Oh, YM, you pissed me off. YM needs to get above 144. We won't even get there. Really need to get above 620. $31,646, and she goes. If YM gets to that first target, it goes. NASDAQ, ES are not anywhere near getting to target. This is where I start thinking about killing trades, fellas. I'm out. If it goes, it goes. I'll manually trade these accounts. If total of 4 accounts, let's see here. If funded with 10 accounts and lose 200, no, you lose 200. Bank of England is prepared to raise rates. I still like that YM long. Nice job, Chad. Up 2,200. Yeah, my bots are currently off. Unless this NASDAQ gets above 915, 16. ES for me above that same spot, that 38, 39. It's just being a pain in the neck. Need NASDAQ to go too. All right, so I was down a couple $100 in that account. I'm now up $10. Whoop. It was a YM trade. I told you I like the YM long still. Come on, NASDAQ, what do you want to do? NASDAQ has a negative delta of 11, just under 1,100. Here's ES, couple thousand. I don't really have many buyers. I've got some, but I am above VWAP. Where is that ES? I'm going to try an ES long, just on a scalp. Next 5. Oh, that's on 15 minute. Oh, it's on 30 minute. Damn it. Let me get it on a 5. There we go. Not yet. Nice job, Melody. Made your $500 daily goal. Nice. ES for me, I would take the long at 37, maybe 35 half. We've got an unfinished auction now here. Thank you, I mean. Arjan is up $3,230. Matt is up 500 on Lilu and 650 on Apex. Nice job, Matt. Very nice job. Charlie is up $1,009. Chris is up $475. We're just sitting, guys. It's 10:20. We're just sitting. Harold, let's see what you said. A quick question. You always have troubles. No, there's not a new link. That's why when you signed up and I sent you the link, it says save this link. I don't have another link. That link is good for the whole month. Yeah, I missed a long on GC. Tell me what you see, brother. At GC. Ooh, I'm way late. I could have been long gold at 54.6. Man, it's only 13 ticks late. What do you see, Greg? ES, guys, is stuck, but moving up to this unfinished auction. We're going long on the ES is what it looks like. We're going to go up. First target, 32.50. There we go. Got the auction. There's the trade. There's the ES trade. Told you we're going up. This is on Lilu. Or Apex, I mean. Come on, get that 37 swing and go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go get me 42. Got to get that 37 swing and we get 42. Come on. Come on, Chunkadunk. Get that 37 quarter. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's go get 42 now. Come on, 42. I told you we're going up. All right. Out. Still going up. Telling you we're going up. Anybody grab it? Told you we're going up. We had an unfinished auction to trade to. NASDAQ doesn't want to do squat. Here is, you wanted above 57. Okay. This is what we've got to get above. We should trade value area high and try to breach that 50. I'm all about the scalps, fellas. Your greedy ass took the ES. Now you're up 13.52. Nice. Nice. I still like her longs, fellas. Support right now on the ES is 29. See what happens at 29, just below VWAP. NASDAQ doesn't want to do anything at the moment, guys. 1,400 net negative delta. We're trading down near the blue, big blue, near the bottom. We have yet to get a bid yet, but as soon as we get above, for me, your gold, Greg. Almost 56.8. I like ES better on the long side. Then I got an unfinished here. It's gone. Then I like NASDAQ at the moment. Ideally, we hang out here or lower, get rid of our favorite European short sellers, and then trap them on the bottom and get another rocket. We'll see. There's 29. I think we bounced right there. We should get a small bounce. Not much. A handle. Short NASDAQ. Below 39, it gets smacked. 40, 47, 48 is your short. Was. Here comes that 39. It's going to get smacked. It just did. If it breaks 28, it's coming down to the whole number. ES is just chopping around. There are no bot trades. YM is the strength so far today, but long ES, guys. NASDAQ's trying to go as well. Trying. I don't have a trade. Yeah, I like ES is not long in the bot. Yes, it is. I'm sorry. You're right. It is. You're right. I like the ES long. NASDAQ has given me nothing. Come on, ES. Get above 35. Back above 35, we should move to 42. NASDAQ, we can't get anything. Gold, I've got nothing. YM, flat. We're an hour into the session, guys, and just a little quiet. This damn DS is trying like the Dickens, fellas. Just came into value. Look, we're trading in a really small range. We just came value area low and held. If we can get above this 37, 37 half, she blows. For those thinking about hitting Costco with puts, I'm not a fan. I know other retailers have missed, but I am not a fan of shorting Costco. I am right now looking at BBY puts. There goes your ES. There's target on ES. 42 is your target now, fellas. Long. There's your 42. I like the bot long on NASDAQ, guys, but it won't go for 1 minute and 22 seconds. I like it on order flow as well. It's got to get above VWAP, and this thing is off. Long NASDAQ, guys. I like the NASDAQ long. It's trying to squeeze up into VWAP and above VWAP. Once we get above VWAP, this thing is going to go like the Dickens. So this is my third Apex account. Short gold. Short gold. I don't know if the bot has it, but it's a short. This is going to go in 32 seconds. There it goes. Come on, get above VWAP and rip. Once above VWAP, this thing is off. Ah, damn it. Come on. Get above VWAP. Damn it. It's going to go without me. Told you I liked it long, fellas. This is going to be a big fill. Come on. Here we go. Filled. Come on, push. Push. Come on. Got target 1 filled. That puts me over. That should put me pretty damn. No, it won't. I misjudged that. Come on. Push. This will put me over on 3 accounts. I'm over on 3 accounts. I'm over $500 on 3 accounts. This is going higher. There you go. I told you I liked it long, guys. We're above V. We're squeezing long now. We're squeezing. First target is 34. 34. Those are the original bots you're hearing, which I'm paying no attention to. Don't care. Target 1 is 34. You've hit it. Free trade. Free trade. Gold. Anybody take the short? Banging it. You're banging it. Anybody take gold short? All right, guys. Is there anybody not smashing the snot out of this market? Are you guys not, anybody not having a day? I mean, we're beating them up pretty damn good, fellas. Hang on, guys. Give me 1 minute. I have to read some. Yeah, Buy Side Global ain't doing this. Guys, did anybody else pass a combine today? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody that is not already on this list? Let's take a look at that list again. This is just today. If you guys are on trial, these are folks that started their combines last week and have passed today. Today alone, we have 12 folks pass their trials, all with Apex. Marcia has her second funded account. Scott passed 2. Paul has his 5th. Steve has his 3rd. Hang on, guys, 1 second. Yeah, you were. You're on the list, Randy. You were number 12. Oh, we have 15. My bad. We have 15 people that have passed today. Mark Smith passed 3 combines today. 15, fellas. All right, well, I got to change accounts again. That's 3 over. Let's go to, let's see here. Let's go to this one. If I were using a trade cap here, I'd have blown these things all to hell already. I'd be funded all across the whole hell's half acre. All right, let me change this. Change my DOMs, fellas. All right. Thank you, Jimmy. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anything at all? Copier hit limit up on 4 accounts in addition to your 1584 and the other 2. Leah's up 41.24 today. Woo-wee! Doing big things, fellas. We are doing big things. I still like NASDAQ. We are negative delta of 200 and change. 1040. 20 minutes left, guys, in the session. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to holla. NASDAQ, or I'm sorry, ES gets above that 39.50. If I look at it, looks to me like we're going to do it. We got a partial gap fill. We did not get it above 39.50. This could give us a pretty good short cover rally up to 85. I don't have it yet, but buyers. NASDAQ has buyers. Or they're not really any sellers. Gold is turning up. Gave a decent little trade on the short side. NASDAQ, I like longs. I like longs. ES, watch this 50 ES. Come on, ES. Let's go. NASDAQ, let's go. I need ES to go too. Come on, NASDAQ. Blow it up. You dog. Come on. One more push higher. Setting up a bear flag, though. It's got to get above this swing and go. Setting up a bear flag. 1 minute resistance is 36. Above 36 it goes. Above 36 it goes. All the naysayers. Why were they saying something about me? Tom? Yeah, you said all the naysayers. What were they talking about us? Pardon my French. Fuck them. Straight English. Fuck them. How's that? Tell you what. Why don't you get in their chat and invite them into the room? Proof is in the pudding, man. Proof is in the pudding. I'm going to bash the living shit out of Buy-Side Global. The living shit out of Buy-Side Global. What a crock of shit room with a crock of shit bot. Pardon my French. Now you got the Italian in me fired up. Fired up. Anybody that would like to know if you guys are here on trial, Buy-Side Global has a piece of shit bot, and they had the audacity to take a whack at me. I've been in this business 10 years. Okay? I have never, with the exception of a guy that I used to work for and know obviously intimately, I have never taken a shot at another trade room. I've never had to. I can outtrade virtually every single one of them. Plain and simple. Buy-Side Global decided in a webinar to take a whack at me. So I sent him an email. I suggested that we trade side by side, my bot and their bot. They trade theirs, I trade mine, with real money, live money, cash, real cash. To which they never replied to my email. They ignored it. Why? Because they can't trade and they're selling garbage. Bottom line, they're selling garbage. They are selling garbage. We have a member that has their bot. In his first 4 weeks with us, I have his email. He's in the room. He made over 30 grand with me in 4 weeks. He lost a staggering sum with them. I'm going after him now. They can't outtrade me. They can't outtrade me. If they could, they wouldn't have to bash me. That's the only way they can make sales. They have to bash. Go ahead, bash me. 15 funded traders today. Buy-Side Global. Garbage platform. Timo's up 1475. See you tomorrow, brother. Come on, yes, get above that 50 and let's go. Is there anybody not making money other than the guys at Buy-Side Global? What is art software? Buy-Side Global looks like a ripoff of the old art software with that ABC pivot triangle entry. I don't even know what it is. James, you know you never piss off a Sicilian, right? Clowns. Seriously, clowns. Clowns to the left of me, clowns to the right. Here I am. Does having your first account up over 3,000 total qualify? Absolutely. Yeah, you qualified. Yeah. Traderscoach.com. I don't even know it. So let's see. So we have another funded trader. Ed, you now have to trade 9 more days, though, just so you understand. 1 contract in, 1 contract out on micros. We covered that on Saturday. Lest we, anybody that would like to watch the video, if they think I'm making it up, we got 16 funded traders on today, Monday. 16 today. Tom, how many does Bullshit Global have? Yeah, because you need a discount. Sure, send me an email. No, they start from the day you started trading the account, Ed. Guys, we're just kind of chopping around. We're basically slow. Saturday's video's there, Mark. I'd ask you to look closer. It's there. Come on, give me a 5-minute above 50 on the ES. And we could get a big move up. Long ES, guys. I think we're gonna go 1,200. Look at the buyers on top. Look at the buyers on top. Look at the buyers on the top of the candle. There we go. Look at the blocks. We're over 50. Here we go. Let's go. NASDAQ went too. Come on, break this 36 and go. YM's going. Here goes ES, guys. We're going to go. We're just pushing this resistance. 10 trading days, not calendar days. Yes, 10 trading days. Blocks here. Blocks here. Here. 1,200 buyers on the top of the candle. That's what we want to see. This is going to fight this 50. This is big resistance here. That 5-minute close above 50 will be big. And that's what I said. It's in the member area. It would not be in Vimeo. Why would I share that with my followers on Vimeo? I don't share my order flow videos on Vimeo. It's in the member area. We're just pulling back. I think we're going to get this today, guys. This afternoon could be a fun session. All right, fellas. It's 10:49. I'm going to wrap it up about 10 minutes early today. Nice job, Gary. Up 562.50, closing for the day. Nice job. Nice job. Been gone 2 years, back, setting up his bots. Anybody have any questions? They are. Shaitan, they are. Anybody have any questions, guys? We're done for the day. We've made a ton of money. I'm not even going to go over that anymore, Marco. I'm not paying any attention to him. I didn't even turn him on this morning. I'm going to get another Red Bull and do a buy-side global video. Now let's see what they are. Let's do this. Hang on 1 second, guys. Let's laugh. Let's laugh at their expense. Let's give them some free advertising. How's that? Some free advertising. Here we go. Buy Side Global. Let's give them some free advertising. Here we go. Our exclusive trading tips and offers that we only share with email subscribers. Wow. Testimonials from real members. Here we go. Buy Side Global. Let's get in with Buy Side Global. Let's buy the chipper. Hey, I want to buy the chipper, fellas. Let's buy the chipper. Here, let's do this. Here we go. How about this? They'll never respond, fellas. They'll never respond. They have too much to lose. Of the owl. Thank you, Brian. They have too much to lose. They know it. I know it. This looks like a little bit of a sell into the close here, into the top of the hour, and then probably into the close. What I'd like to see is for us to come down and then trap these sellers, these Europeans on the bottom, and then go up. We breached 50. We're pulling back. Is there anybody that did not make money in the room today, guys? Is there anyone that did not make money? I mean, we started making money from the moment we came in today. Pre-market. Okay. So everybody's done well. We've all made money. Everybody's hit their daily goal. Don't forget to send me your daily totals so I can log them. All right, fellas? Trial members, if you joined late, meaning after the room opens at 8 a.m., just so you guys are aware. You may wish to, join us at 8 a.m. Your link is good for the week. If any of you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Funded account, Scott up 800. I'm assuming that was up 800, right, Scott? Okay. I like this NASDAQ trade short, fellas, on the bot. If anybody wants it. NASDAQ looks like she's going to come down. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. My 1 o'clock group, I will see you guys at 1 o'clock. Frank, member area. Have a blessed day. Great trade. I will see all of you tomorrow, 8 a.m. My 1 o'clock guys, I'll see you in 2 hours. Be blessed. If anybody needs me, holler. Send me an email. I'm around all day. See you guys.